Ragi simili is nutritiously dense traditional sweet snack that is rich in vitamin E, iron, protein, fiber, and calcium. At the same time, tastes delicious. By adding these ingredients, you can make a delicious one by yourself. You won't regret it. Ragi powder 1 cup, pinch of salt for dough, jaggery powder or vellum a half cup, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, sesame seeds elu a quarter cup, roasted peanuts skin removed a half cup, ghee as needed. Roast, grind, and make a healthy snack for you and your family. For more perfect recipe with measurements, subscribe to MS Cooking.